Okay, guys. Okay, listen up. The reason you press this button is because you really don't know how to put these on. And so, guys, I got you covered. Most of you are guys gonna click this button, but I've got you covered. So the trick is, the problem of getting this onto this is, let me walk you through it. So when you pull this out, you normally see it look just like this, right? Okay, so what you have to do is once you pull this up, you said, okay, I got this piece up. Look on the inside, guys. Right on the inside, there's another one on this side. So when you click that on, see, now you got both sides open. And then you can place it onto this, okay? And see, this switches. And so you want to make sure that this end is up, that end is down, and then on the inside, you want to make sure you push this into those little holes. And you got it. And now you don't have to tell a lady, you learned this from me. You knew how to do this. So you got it. If you like this video, press the subscribe button, press the like button. And go ahead and do what you need to do. Okay? Have a good one.